Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom feed on Bluesky Social with Skyfeed, guys. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, what you're going to do is you want to go to Skyfeed, go to skyfeed.app. Okay, this is basically a third-party app that helps you manage and organize your Bluesky experience. And within Skyfeed is a custom feed builder. So what you're going to do is come here and click on feed builder. And then what you're going to see is in the upper right-hand corner, there'll be a drop-down menu with an option to create a new feed. Come here and click on create your first feed, okay? Click on this option right here and you'll be able to access the feed builder. And if this is your first feed, guys, it will basically default to a new feed, and this will basically populate for you a bunch of options on how the feed will draw from Bluesky, including, date ranges and, types of posts and who is posting. And then you can have many different custom feeds that you can preview right here. So what we want to do, guys, is you can set up a feed name. For example, we can do Southern Fried Science, okay? Fried Science. Let me set that as the feed name. Okay, we have that. So what this will do, so currently what's going to happen is it is looking to, pull posts from everyone on Bluesky who posts hello world. So we're going to be fixing that. We're going to be setting our own parameters. So I'm going to change this. I'll do something where everyone says fried chicken, okay? So everyone who comes here and says fried chicken, let's do that. Okay, so everyone who says fried chicken should show up in our feed right now. So you see, this is our custom feed being created, and the input is the entire network. You can also go ahead and choose from lists, feeds, and single users. On the last 24 hours, I can change this to 7 days if I want. And if you want to remove items, you can do that as well. But this is pretty much the simplest way to add feeds. So this is for text. And you can also do this to be case sensitive if you want, if, for example, the first letter F to be capital, only pull the feed for those in capital. So now you see I've done for the last 7 days. So if I scroll all the way down, I should see things way longer than over 24 hours. Let me scroll down even more. And look, this is 1 day ago. And if I change this back to 24 hours or 3 hours, I'll not be able to see anything that is later than 3 hours, even if I scroll down here. So let me go ahead and scroll down and show you. Here, the last things that show up are 2 hours ago. And it's really that easy and simple. You can go ahead and publish this field. And I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.